Meet and learn about native falcons, hawks, and owls that call the Northeast U.S. home when Grassland Bird Trust's annual Winter Raptor Fest returns to the Washington County Fairgrounds. Winter Raptor Fest has something for everyone. See live birds of prey in flight. Explore the wild encounter to meet and learn about live owls, hawks, and falcons in their natural habitats. Encounter endangered short-eared owls and other rapidly declining bird species. Go on a mock bird tour and test your bird spotting skills as you encounter life-sized bird cutouts along the path. Kids can enjoy fun and educational activities from arts and crafts to interactive games. Get your picture taken with a hawk or owl at the Raptor photo booth. And shop For the Birds store. Food vendors, exhibitors, and more round out this weekend where Raptors rule. Please join us for this fun and family-friendly event. All proceeds go to help preserve critical wildlife habitat for endangered and at-risk grassland birds. For more information, please visit winterraptorfest.com. The Winter Raptor Fest. Don't miss it.